Hey, this is my review for Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. This is part 2 in the Legend of Zelda series that's on the Switch. So this is the sequel to the first one, to Breath of the Wild. Amazing game. This is my copy. I have it sealed. So I haven't really played through it yet, but I know enough about it, and I'm a huge Zelda fan, so I'm looking forward to playing this one. So yeah, so it's you don't have to play the first one to play this one, but it's good to play it so you kind of know about the world and what's going on. So since it happens right after the first one. So, but the graphics are amazing. Has a lot of it's an open world game. You play as Link, and then you walk around Hyrule and all of that. But it's great because you can create different items, crafting, and then you can use them in different ways in the game, and you can get very creative, and there's supposedly thousands of ways that you can create the items. So I haven't done it myself, but it's an amazing game. I've seen enough gameplay and footage about it, and I know about it. So I'm really looking forward to playing it, and hope you are too.